This is your math activity list, which starts on 9/19 and it is due on Friday, September 27th. Required 3 times for 15 minutes each is Zern. Check each box once you've completed it for 15 minutes. Under addition and subtraction fluency, you have a choice for 10 minutes. It's a practice activity. Complete the Find 10 game or complete the Draw the Bundles worksheet in the resource area. Independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Required for 5 minutes, a practice activity. Scan the QR code below to practice your addition fluency. Independent, reflect when you're done. For place value this week, required for 15 minutes, practice activity. Color the higher number. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes, a practice activity. Race to 100. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. And optional. This is challenge, so make sure you see your teacher. 10 minutes, practice, base 10 concentration game. Take a picture of your matches and upload them to Seesaw. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Remember, optional is not done till everything else is finished. Good luck this week.